The sports program wa ní 6 o'clock ẹni mo jálù wọn ni mo stop wọn mo sọ àwọn program tá à ń ṣe yẹn mo ti lọ òun là ń gbọ́ yẹn regulative time yẹn ni o pé ẹ dákun o ohun mi gẹ́gẹ́ mo fi sọ torí àwọn èèyàn nígbàgbọ́ púpọ̀ pé tí mo bá ti sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ jẹ́ padà lé o ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti wà ń bẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ wà ń ta tẹ́ ẹ ráàyè wọlé 5,000 tí wọ́n fẹ́ mú ti pé ní ọ̀jẹ̀ wọn sílẹ̀kùn fún yẹ ẹ mọ́ ẹ lọlé all this kind of thing mo sọ èèyàn lè rí lórí àgídìgbò mo tún wá padà nígbà tí mo sọ tán mo tún wá padà lọ sí recording studio mo wá record rẹ̀ mo wá gbé lọ́kọ̀ olóyún lọ́wọ́ pé ẹ máa play rẹ̀ time to time ẹ máa play rẹ̀ time to time.
alájí ẹ má bínú ní táìmù yẹn ní mi ìmọ̀ bó ṣe rí kíní tí àgídìgbò gangan as in bí kí ló update tẹ ṣe síta did you see it?
What? I'm on something message hospital anyway.
Because I think there's some misinformation. And you know why I'm saying this, Alaji? So that you can know the information that people have and why, some people might not want to take your words for it. Because Lori Kimi Weye, let me read it out to you. Also, upon receiving the news, the notice that a mammoth crowd has assembled at 5 a.m. at the venue. Only the media was to tell the public which is a something, which is Agomaru. Alaji, Sherry 5 o'clock here. Because English it all be by mammoth yẹn that means
mammoth crowd.
Èmi rò wípé 5 yẹn instead it even sọ wípé káwọn èèyàn má wọlé mọ́ ìmọ̀ káwọn èèyàn ò ní gbọ́ Aláàjì wọn ò ní gbọ́. Wọ́n pé ṣé wọ́n ṣe sọ wípé kókó kálukú máa lọ lé táìmù yẹn pé wọ́n ò ṣe mọ́.
Ẹ gbọ́ tí mo sọ ni.
Yes sir.
Bóyá àgbẹ̀ nẹ́tíwọ́ọ̀kì ló ṣe dáadáa. A sọ pé
àwọn WhatsApp ká lè gbọ́ wọn mo gbọ́ yín sir.
A sọ pé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá ń bọ̀ láti lé.
Ṣèbá Oríyọmí sọ pé òun ò wà involved tẹ́lẹ̀. Ṣèbó lóun ò wà involved nínú kinní yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀.
Ẹ padà ẹ máa lọ lé 5,000 tẹ́lẹ̀ àwọn mú ó ti pé ẹ máa lọ lé. That was the information given to Naomi pé wọ́n ń ju àwọn ọmọ látòrí fence. Obìnrin kan gbé ọmọ wá sọ́fíìsì wa láàárọ̀ ó gbé ọmọ ẹ̀ wá sọ́fíìsì wa fúnra rẹ̀.
Wọ́n ń ju ọmọ látòrí fence.
Ọkọ ọmọ òun ni ó ẹnìkan òun fọwọ́ ara òun ṣera òun.
Ó gbókù ọmọ wá bá yín lọ́fíìsì.
Ó lóun ju ọmọ òun látòrí fence. Òun rò pé wọ́n bóun hàn àwọn àbóun hàn.
Ṣé ń gbọ́rọ̀?
Bí wọ́n ṣe ń ju ọmọ ní 5 o'clock gbogbo tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Fọ́ọ̀tì ẹni tó ṣe ni nítorí pé báyé ṣe rí nìyẹn. Ẹni tó ṣe gan kó tẹ̀kì fọ́ọ̀tà rẹ̀ torí pé báyé kó gbà kóun ló ń jẹ̀bi torí báyé ṣe rí nìyẹn. Èmi gan fúnra mi tún gbà pé mo jẹ̀bi láì lọ́wọ́ nú ẹ̀ láì sínú elétò torí pé báyé ṣe rí.
Èmi right from time mo sọ pé media house lẹ́yìn.
Torí pé èmi máa ń fẹ́ ṣe kọjá àyè gan tó bá jẹ́ pé a fẹ́ protect ẹ̀mí àti dúkìá. Wọn àkókò sanwó fún mi pé kí n lọ kéde pé káwọn èèyàn má wà mọ́. Wọn àti sanwó fún mi pé kí n jí lọ ọbẹ̀ láàárọ̀ kí n lọ mọ́ sọ fún ẹ pé ẹ máa lọ àṣemọ́ o.
But
apáàtì pa kéde lórí rédíò mo ti lọ wọ́n ti travel back látàná wọ́n ti lọ wọ́n làwọn lọ múra lẹ̀ káwọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ pọ̀ tó báyìí ẹ máa lọ lé àwọn èèyàn wa ò ní dáhùn. Èèyàn ẹyọ kan kó ọmọ 19 wá.
Jésù.
Sóò nìkan ló bí ọmọ.
Nígbà tẹ́yìn náà ni kí 5,000 people máa bọ̀. Kí lẹ expect? And with what is going on in that country, kí lẹ expect?
Bí wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe máa.
Ẹ jẹ́ máa ń power tap wọ́n ti pause.
Ṣé ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ mi wá?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ibi ẹ sọ wípé bí wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe máa ń ìbẹ̀lẹ̀ ó ti
kọ́. Wọ́n fẹ́ mọ̀ báwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń ṣe ń bàdàn. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ti pè wọ́n báyìí.
But ẹ mọ̀ yẹn wá ìtẹ́ wá pé 5,000 Aláàjì.
Lásán tó bá fẹ́ bá mi yà èmi tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ yìí wọ́n á máa ju ọmọ wọn sí mi látọ̀kan ni.
Aláàjì ju ọmọ bíi báwo.
Ọmọ sí mi látọ̀kan ni. Ọmọ mẹ́rin sí mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà. Ọmọ mẹ́rin. Màmá máa sáré bí màá ṣe.
Wọ́n ń ju ọmọ.
From this program gan sẹ́yìn orí àwọn òbí ti ń ṣe àwọn ọmọ wọn ní Ìbàdàn gangan kọ́mọ̀tì ẹ̀jẹ̀ program yìí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe àwọn ọmọ wọn Ìbàdàn. Children's carnival mi lọ́dún yìí wọ́n ti bínú àwọn lọlé àwọn ìṣemọ́ àwọn bínú lọlé ni o bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń bà mí ló kọjá lọ́dọọdún nìyẹn tẹ́ ẹ sọ pé mi ò létò fọ́tò àti bàbá mi yà ẹ mọ̀ gba tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì wọ́n bá ṣe fún wọn tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì wọ́n mọ̀ fún wọn tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì fọ́tò ẹni tó wà ní 400 mọ́mí wa ẹni tó wà ní 400 ó sì wá wájú orí nọ́mbà 3 ó sì ló wọn yà fọ́tò ó sì bẹ̀rẹ̀ wàhálà ẹlòmíì ó ti ọmọ ẹ̀sìn mi báyìí ọmọ òṣùwò yóò forí gbálẹ̀ yóò máa ṣẹ̀jẹ̀ ìlè sọ iye òbí tí mo ti arrest silently fúnra mi tí mo tì mọ́lé nítorí bó ṣe ṣe ọmọ mo ní mo fẹ́ fún wọn lóúnjẹ ní kòtò àánú mo pè yẹn 1000 èèyàn 3000 plus dẹ̀ wá mo sì dáwọn 1000 ló ń tán ẹyin 3000 tó kú ẹ̀ tó kò lè ẹyin 2000 tó kú ẹ̀ tó kò lè tó ń táwọn èèyàn gbà tọ́ra àwọn ọmọ òpè ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin náà ò ní sanwó lọlé o mo fún wọn ní ráìsì abọ́ méjì ẹ̀wà abọ́ méjì gàrí abọ́ mẹ́rin ni mo fẹ́ nìkọ̀ọ̀kan náà àwọn tí mo pè ẹ́ o ṣé àwọn pé èèyàn kan nínú àwọn tí ò rí gbàdé lọ́ba pé dákun ó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ gàrí agolo 5 fún mi nínú tí wọ́n fún ọ ó lóun ò lè fún ọ ó lóun ò lè fún ó lè dànù nígbà tí mo wá fẹ́ mọ fún àwọn tí ò rí gbàdé àkọ́kọ́ padà tí mo ní wọ́n tó ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé ẹni àkọ́kọ́ tó lóun ò lè fún ẹ̀yẹ tó padà wá tó ó dẹ̀ ń tì wá ó dẹ̀ ń dàbẹ̀rù kò mọ̀ pé mo rí òun lákòókò
èmi máa tó stop o
padà wọ́n fẹ́ mọ dàbẹ̀rù greediness ojú kòkòrò ìmọ̀tara ẹni nìkan tó bá ti jẹ́ pé nǹkan ọ̀fẹ́ wọn kò rí láìfù ọmọ wọn tó mọ rí ó jẹ́ wọn ọ̀mọ́.
so kó lọ sin ọmọ wọn gbà yín àwọn náà wà fọ́ọ̀sì àbí ó ti tán ọ̀rọ̀ ti yanjú ara ẹ̀ àbí. kábíyèsí.
ọmọlúwàbí wọn sásọ kankan láàrin wọn lẹ́yìn bọ́ksà àti jíìnì mi kékeré. ìhòòhò tẹ bá rí píksọ wọn ń gba fóònù lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn lẹ́yìn fi tí máa rí píksọ mi kó máa fly around. I was wọ́n sunkún bí ọmọ kékeré ni àtọlọ́pàá àti road safety àti wọ́n tún wà ní wọ́n rẹ̀ mí táwọn òbí yẹn gan ń rí mi táwọn gan bú ẹkún tí wọ́n ń sunkún. ìwé tí àwọn èèyàn wá fi ń ṣe wọ́n ṣubú léra wọn ìsìn bẹ́ẹ̀ o mo dẹ̀ sáré débẹ̀ àwọn tó ṣubú yẹn jẹ́ àgbé wọn mo dẹ̀ ń gbé wọn.
ó mà ṣe o.
ẹ̀sìn bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣubú sì tún rọ́ọ̀ṣì wá wájú ẹ̀sìn tó ń tẹ̀ wá ìdí nítorí tẹ́ ẹ̀ kí ni nǹkan náà ti fẹ́ fún wọn.
kábíyèsí Elédùmarè bọ́bá tí ò dá o bọ́bá tí ò dá o.
padà ojú kòkòrò ìwà burúkú tó wà nínú ẹlòmíì kan tó yẹ pé Ọlọ́run fi dá Ọlọ́run fi ṣe bó ṣe ṣe kí ni ń tà wá láàmú wàláì. I pity the woman I pity her and I even pity myself. ẹ ní ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ mo sọ mo ní tó jẹ́ kí n máa gbowó children carnival tí mo ṣe lágídígbò mo ní mo fi ń regulate ẹni owó tí mo fún ẹ mo lè fún ẹ lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ wọ́n tí mo bá fowó sí wọ́n da gbogbo ẹ̀rù wọ́n ti yọ géètì fẹ́ǹsì mi fẹ́ǹsì géètì àgídígbò bó ṣe nípọn tó yẹ wọ́n yọ wọ́n ti tì ó ti fẹ́ ṣubú lu àwọn tó wà nínú ilé ìjọ náà kí n tó mú kíkí ní ẹ bá lé wọn tí mo lé wọn dànù nígbà tí mo fi padà wọbẹ̀ géètì yẹn ti fẹ́ wó lu àwọn tó wà tí ẹ̀rí géètì ti fẹ́ wó ni bàtà tí géètì yẹn tó wó géètì tó ní òní wọ́n rọ̀ wọlé wọ́n àmọ́ tẹ àwọn tó wà nínú tó ti wó lu yẹn wọ́n mọ̀ tẹ̀ wọ́n mọ́lẹ̀ nítorí tí wọ́n fẹ́ they don't care life ò ní ìtumọ̀ sáwọn táwa gan care fún.
no ìgbà tí my own is ẹni sùúrù ẹ jẹ́ kí n lo àkíní ìgbà tí Oríyọmí ti ní experience gbogbo kíní yìí ó yẹ kó sọ fún Naomi pé èrò ti pọ̀ jù tó fẹ́ ṣe yẹn ti pọ̀ jù ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tó lóun náà experience fóun ara òun pé wọ́n máa ju àwọn ọmọ sóhun then why tó wá tí ò wá sọ fún wa pé I can't be part of this 5,000 is too much to handle. ẹ̀yin ará Ìbàdàn bẹ́ẹ̀ níṣẹ́ mú yín tó ẹ̀ ń ju ọmọ torí ìjẹkújẹ torí oúnjẹ tẹ máa jẹ lọ́jọ́ kan tá lọ́mọ ẹ wá kú báyìí. abẹ́ ìráyé yín ṣẹgbọ́n tán bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn wọ́n máa ju ọmọ. Zikuli, it seems all of you are not getting the real issue. This is not about the case of safety, security, about the case of safety. Abẹ́ ìráyé yín lẹ pa àwọn ọmọ yín sí. ẹ wò 15 minutes time mi máa stop.
àwọn àgbàlagbà yẹn náà dẹ̀ ń ṣubú tí wọ́n bá ti ṣubú báyìí àwọn ọmọ kékeré ọ̀fẹ̀sẹ̀ kọ́ wọn. màmá ṣẹ̀wọ̀n pé yóò fọ́nì sí pé nígbà tí wàhálà yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ á bá àwọn ọmọ oṣù 2 oṣù 4 ọmọ ọdún kan níbi kan tí wọ́n kó wọn sí wọ́n tó 7 ìyá wọn àwa aláṣẹṣẹ kó wọn tí a ṣe ń wáyà wọn káàkiri.
Wọn ò rí ìyá wọn.
Ẹlòmíì kígbe pé
Exactly àfò.
abẹ́ gọ́tà ni o.
Since he has experienced it.
Abẹ́ gọ́tà àwa ń wá àwọn ìyá ọmọdé. Ẹlẹ́nìkan wá bá aláǹtí mo wọ́ ọmọ ìwọ ọlọ́mọ ọdún mélòó ọlọ́mọ oṣù méjì.
Ọmọ oṣù méjì.
Ẹnìkan ló ń wá bébí ọ̀sẹ̀ mẹ́ta. Bébí ọ̀sẹ̀ mẹ́ta. Ọmọ oṣù méjì. Bó o lo ẹsẹ̀ sí tí kò sí lọ́wọ́ yín ni. Tí bó o lẹ́sẹ̀ gbé nígbà tí ẹsẹ̀ bó lè rìn fún.
Ará Ìbàdàn àwùfù lẹ fi pa àwọn ọmọ yín. Ẹ káre. Káì.
Bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn o.
It is well.
It is well náà la fi ń parí nǹkan Nàìjíríà. It is well.
Ìtọ́jẹ́ kí n pè wọlé ni ti àga tí wọ́n ń wà yẹn gbàga.
Because àwọn èèyàn ní kò sága bẹ̀.
No, ṣé àríbi tẹ́ ẹ rí yẹn wọn àti ìdèbí venue sẹ́.
Orí kọ́ báyìí gbogbo orí ni ó dà pé wọ́n ṣùyàn jọ bí ẹgbọ́n kó ṣùṣù ọwọ́ jọ báyìí.
Venue kọ́ yẹn wọn àti ìdèbí venue. Àga 7,000 ló gbà 7,000. Wọn àti ìdèbí venue.
Alhaji ní àga 7,000 náà gbà. Ṣé wọ́n lè fún one picture ẹ̀ kárí bẹ̀? Wọ́n ní àga 7,000 náà gbà. Kí ló ta rí picture ibi tán set tán ti fẹ́ ṣe party nìyẹn gangan. Tó bá yẹ pé àga 7,000 náà gbà lóòótọ́. Kí ló ti picture ibi tán gbé àga yẹn sí ta rí kó surface online. Kí ló ta rí kó surface online. And Alhaji láwọn ti experience kìíní. Kí ló ti pé Alhaji ò fẹsẹ̀ múlẹ̀ pé no, I won't be part of this. 5,000 is too much. You say you are doing 1,000. When you do 1,000, you go through a lot. Why support somebody that wants to do 5,000? Ẹ wo, ẹni tó kú ló gbé.
Nothing more when they were trying to come out. That was when the stampede happened.
No, not at all. Not at all. Not at all. Wallahi, not at all. Wallahi, not at all.
Anyway.
That is honor to lead láti Àkóbọ̀ sí Báṣọ̀run.
No safeguarding, King. Not at all. Kò sí safeguarding kankan. In a normal society, it's not an excuse. Wallahi.
Wallahi.
It is well. It is well. So at least now people know what, because I'm on social media. Even God show me more emphasize in continually lórí social media anymore. So because it's difficult to be able to see if ito je òótọ́ àti ito je irọ́ nínú ẹ̀, because oríṣiríṣi narratives lèèyàn máa máa rí. So we actually thought that they were already in the venue, and that was why I'm thinking, why were they allowed into the venue in the first place? So I thought before to Timori was inside because if information will pay,
somebody said that place can contain 8,000 people. 8,000, long. 8,000. You are not talking of 800, 8,000. Anyway, I mean, energy for argument. Abiola má ṣe kíní kan jẹ́. Ṣé mo blame Oriyomi ni? Ṣé mo blame ẹ̀sìn ni? Mo nígbà tí Oriyomi sọ wí ó mọ̀ wípé handling 1,000 is tough for him. Kí ló dé tí ó advise lady yẹn against saying she wants to do 5,000? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Olúmídé ó ti lọ àbó ti lọ. Olúmídé Òjó ó ti lọ. Kó ní kálukú máa lọ bí àlọ́sí wọn. They say somebody with 2-year-old, 2-month-old baby, kò rọ́mọ, 3-month-old baby, wọn ò rọ́mọ, àwọn oníjẹkújẹ. Ṣáwọn yẹn náà tún nídìí nǹkan, wọ́n lè jẹun. Nonsense.
Okay, so I want you, which was your consent? And I'm sure I want few people there, so not a lot of people.
Lord, not a lot of people. I want you to worry now. What you have is 700. It's easy. We have 700.
Okola.
With that. Not that I asked them to come,
Okunola.
We should drive out. One rush, one bag, one lower near. When they saw security, I go leave them. That was all. I want to do some damage. Sorry, I want you to get want to. I want you to want very good. What you want? If it's version, I want you to Toku Níbi.
It is well. It is well, Alhaji. Emio, explanation te she Emio. Let me speak for myself. I'm speaking for me here. Explanation te she Lord ti temi o. And explanation te she I think this explanation is mainly to bail out the organizer, because Lord ti temi ikokoyin. Sheri gbogbo ite she yen is just because that is you. You know.
But any suru. If he was not truly involved, They came for you for media. Why was he at the venue? Why was he so much involved in the setup and everything? Why was he there? Ṣebí ó dàbí pé kí wọ́n lọ ṣe advert lọ́dọ̀ CNN. CNN, oh, please help us to broadcast this thing. Ibẹ̀ ló yẹ kó end sí. You said he was not involved. Kí ló wá lọ sí venue? Or is it to do the coverage or whatever? If it is the coverage, àwọn ọmọ wọn ló yẹ kó lọ síbẹ̀, not him. Wo, just like somebody said, support Tilo.
Volunteers, they are not doing anything. Then I observe pé only Kẹ́mọ́kẹ́yàn ní vision. Káwọn tó sọ̀rọ̀ àdìyàn wá máa ṣe bí káwọn support vision. But kí vision yẹn máa yé wọn, kán dẹ̀ máa lè put everything into it.
And they weren't asking question.
At all. At all. Because like the security aspect of it and some other things, when I asked Olórí, Olórí sọ pé àwọn kan ti wà charge, àwọn kan ti wà charge, tí mo dẹ̀ bí wọn. Báwo lẹ ṣe, they'll be telling me pé àwọn ṣe máa ṣe, ó ní báwọn ṣe máa ṣe. And I keep telling them, this is Ibadan. This is Ibadan.
I think that is where táwọn èèyàn fi ń sọ wípé Oriyomi should know better because Ibadan is your base. But now we know that you know better and
yes, I should. But in fairness, láàrin mi àtọ́lọ́run àtàwọn tó ṣètò wàláhì, àwọn náà mọ̀ pé I put in everything. Because most of them, most of them work in Ibadan, wàláhì yàtọ̀ sí every other place. Mo ní ní Ibadan tó bá rí nǹkan mẹ́wàá. Tó bá fẹ́ àfihàn mẹ́rin, má fọkàn balẹ̀ o. Ó sì bí èèyàn mẹ́rin lórí yóò kárí. Rárá o, èèyàn kan fẹ́ gba mẹ́fà.
Wọ́n máa padà wá.
Yáà, wọ́n á dẹ̀ máa dàrú tí wọ́n bá dẹ̀ da nǹkan rú bí. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé kò ní work fáwọn. Wọ́n á make sure pé àwọn kọ́kọ́ dàrú náà. Tó bá ti dàrú tán, wọ́n wá go ahead. That is it.
Anyway, èmi náà ti stop bí.
Security. I think they said all those were supposed to happen at 8 o'clock. But people were already there before then. Àlàyé tí wọ́n ṣe ń sìn nìyẹn. So they have everything in place. But ibẹ̀ ó ti dàbàrú already. Kó tó di pé gbogbo planning wọn could come to fruition because àwọn èèyàn ti pọ̀ ń bẹ̀ already.
Now, nǹkan tó yẹ kí government ṣe is what bloggers are doing. Nigeria is finished. I don't like saying it, but it's just the plain truth. The state governments, the state police, or the police are the one that are supposed to be giving us updates. The true picture, the investigation they will have done, the questioning they will have done, the findings they will have done. But instead, the people they want to hold accountable for what has gone wrong are the one telling us. Please make it, make it make sense to me. Please, I'm begging you. Make it make sense. How somebody that is being accused of doing something is the one that will come and tell the public. How somebody that is being held accountable for something is the one that will come out and be telling us. I don't know. Maybe I'm not. I don't know. Make it make sense. Because I think the law, the people that are supposed to investigate what has gone wrong, where they have messed up, where there was mistake, either by parents, by the organizers, by whoever, are the ones that are supposed to come out and tell us, these are our findings. This is the lapses. These are the lapses. These are this. These are that. But instead, àwọn tí ó yẹ kí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ ni wọ́n sọ fún wa wípé àwọn tó yẹ kán dákẹ́ náà ń ṣàlàyé fún wa. And now every blame has been thrown to the parents. I am not absolving the parents of any wrongdoing that they didn't do wrong. The parents are as guilty as the organizer. Okay? The parents are as guilty as the organizer. But the organizer are more at fault. The organizers are more at fault. Oriyomi knows that handling 1,000 people is a big deal for him. Organizing 1,000 people is tough. When Naomi was saying 5,000, now when one said she has a 7,000 seats. Where is the picture of that 7,000? The 7,000 seats that was set up. Where is the picture? Why have we not seen the picture of the place? àbí Oriyomi is now the judge and the jury ló bá tán ọ̀rọ̀ ti parí síbẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti láwọn parents ló wà at fault. He even said wípé ṣe náà máa ń ju ọmọ sáwọn náà táwọn bá ń ṣe program fún wọn kí ló dé tí àti rí fídíò bó ṣe ń ju ọmọ sí wọn látọjọ́ tó ti ń ṣe program. Ẹ má bínú o èmi ò wá sentimental mi ò dẹ̀ wá favour anybody o èmi á sọ̀rọ̀ bí bá ṣe rí nǹkan ni o ẹ lè má like mi ní kẹ́ like mi ní ìmọ̀ yín rí. My question is he said they have been throwing children on him anytime he's doing program pé wọ́n lè ju ọmọ mẹ́rin at the same time kí ló dé tí àìtí rí picture bí tán ti ń ju ọmọ sí wọn àti fídíò. He said handling 1,000 is a tough one. Why tán wá jẹ́ kí woman go ahead láti ṣe program fún 5,000 people débi pé over 15,000 náà ló wà níbẹ̀. We saw the video, we saw the crowd, mammoth crowd wọ́n ṣe pọ̀ tó. Àwọn parents wọ́n jó ní jẹkújẹ at the detriment of their children. Now wọ́n náà sọ ọmọ ọ̀nà àwọn kan sunkún wọ́n ń wá àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́run ajẹ́ ẹ̀rọ ọmọ yín ní ayé tó ń fa àwọn ọmọ ṣòwò ẹ sọ pé ó ti lọ. Ní ayé tí bàbá ń gé orí ọmọ sọnù ẹ sọ pé ó ti lọ orí ọmọ ọlọ́mọ náà wá ní gé ẹ ti pèsè instrument tó máa fi ṣáájò fún wọn nìyẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ ti pèsè instrument àwọn tó fẹ́ fọmọ ṣáájò tó ń wá ẹ̀jẹ̀ tuntun ẹ ti pèsè instrument tó máa lò fún wọn nìyẹn. So ẹ sọ pé ó ti lọ ẹ ń wá ọmọ níbo kí lẹ wọ́ gbọ́mọ yín lọ síbẹ̀ fún kí lẹ wá débẹ̀ irú ebi wèrè wo ló ń pa yín irú ebi wèrè wo ló pa yín tẹ̀ ẹ̀ pògì kógì yẹn ti kó tí kìkẹ́ mú kẹ́ mánéèjì ìwọ̀nba búrẹ́dì kẹja sọ́fun kó dikun yín mú díẹ̀ bó jẹ́ ìfún àwa tá wà nílùú oúnjẹ ẹ̀ẹ̀kan ni mò ń jẹun ìlédè tí n bá rójú ni máa jẹun ọjọ́ ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì tí n bá rójú ni máa jẹun ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì l'Amẹ́ríkà yìí oúnjẹ pọ̀ o oúnjẹ surplus o oúnjẹ wà ní fíríjì o kí là ń jẹ nínú oúnjẹ ìwọ̀nba oúnjẹ kékeré báyìí la nídìí láti sustain ṣùgbọ́n poverty ó máa jẹ́ kẹ́ rò wípé àfi tẹ́ bá kó oúnjẹ rẹpẹtẹ àfi tẹ́ bá kó oúnjẹ rẹpẹtẹ tẹ́ jẹ́ bíi gluten ajẹ́kì kẹ́ tó wà òkè òun ló dáfá fún pé ẹgbẹ́ kókó lọ síbi tó ti ń ṣe program ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ ṣàánú ayé ara yín. Ẹ ṣàánú ara yín láyé tó ń jí àwọn ọmọ gbé ẹ wá kó àwọn ọmọ lọ ẹ wá ń sunkún wèrè kiri pọ́n pa àwọn ọmọ ẹ wo àwọn tó ní pé kí n má ṣàánú yín wọn mọ nǹkan tó ń sọ ṣé ń gbọ́ṣẹ́ ọmọ ọdún méjì lọ sí program ọmọ oṣù méjì lọ sí program tẹ bá ń gbọ́ sọ pé ó ti lọ there is nothing called justice lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí kó ní kálukú máa lọ mú mi sí nínú ọdún àní fi ìbànújẹ́ ṣọdún ibi tó fẹ́ yà sí ó ti yà sí kó má yà sọ́dọ̀ tiwa abẹ́ ẹ̀ máa gbọ́ kọ́tán ọmọ oṣù méjì lọ sílùú venue yẹn ẹ wá lọ sùn lókọ̀ ọ̀la ẹ lọ sùn síbẹ̀ ní òkun ọ̀la pẹ̀lú ọmọ òkókó wọ́n lẹ́lòmíì kọ́ ọmọ 9 wá síbẹ̀ ẹlòmíì kọ́ ọmọ more than 10 wá ẹ máa greedy o ẹ máa greedy as a people o ẹ máa greedy anyway kí la ti ẹ̀ ń sọ ẹ lọ wo tó bá ń ṣe party ńgbà míì bọ́n ṣe máa rọ́ tó máa ṣe fight tó máa jà sórí kí náà ń porúkọ ẹ̀ souvenir ẹ máa wọ ẹlòmíì báyìí pa wọ́n ṣe múra báyìí wọ́n dẹ̀ tún jà sí souvenir. That is the kind of people we have become. Greed yìí náà ni kéèyàn gbọ́ ọmọ oṣù méjì lọ sí ibi tán ti ń ṣe nǹkan ọmọ oṣù méjì ẹ wà all right sọ pé ó ti lọ Oríyọmí ti kúrò ń bẹ̀ o it's all about a failed society, a society that nothing is working because ordinarily wọn ò bí ẹrẹ nílùú yìí kó gádà àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn wàá ṣàlàyé fọlọ́pàá nǹkan tó ń ṣe ká kọ́kọ́ mú látòrí failed government ló ti kọ́kọ́ fail ká mú látòrí failed government tó lè gbà kán gádà àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn a government that is not working ló lè gádà àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ló máa gbà kán gádà àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn no matter the circumstances no matter the reason ká kọ́kọ́ mú látòrí government ká wá mú lórí àwọn parents oníjẹkújẹ oníjẹkújẹ ká wá mú látorí ibẹ̀ náà ká wá mú lórí organizer ká mú látorí organizer náà. Everybody has a blame nínú nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Above all, organizer ní blame yìí tó jù ń bẹ̀. I will stand on that. You want to do something of that magnitude? Where are the safety measures? Where are the paramedics, sítòsí, ambulance, that anything could go wrong? I still go back to the organizers. Knowing you are inviting almost half of Ibadan, and you are inviting children, minors, into such gathering. You should expect anything. You should have prepared for all that. But all you care about, lè sọ pé ẹ lówó láti prepare. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe Christmas whatever tó náà fẹ́ ṣe. You should know you are inviting children. Anything can happen. Ẹ fi gbogbo nǹkan sí in place. So that in case so ọmọ mi lè dákú o, ká tiẹ̀ ní nǹkan kò ṣẹlẹ̀, ọmọ mi lè dákú ní venue yẹn. Ọmọ mi lè ní crisis, ọmọ mi lè ní accident. Kí ni safety measure tẹ́ fi sílẹ̀ for all that? Pé in case so anything bá ṣẹlẹ̀, how do we handle it? Nothing. Wọ́n wá ń fi kẹ̀kẹ́ márúwá. Wọ́n fi kẹ̀kẹ́ márúwá kó òkú ọmọ. Wọ́n fi kẹ̀kẹ́ márúwá kó òkú àwọn ọmọ lọ sí hospital. Ibi tí ọmọdé máa wà. Ìlú yìí, they look out for children than any other thing. Níbí. I check Agidigbo channel. I saw them playing Fuji music and laughing. And I'm like, yeah, I'm not blaming Oriyomi for what happened. Oriyomi did his job in advertising. He did his own job. But I'm like, why are they laughing in this station? Why are they playing music? If there's any music, to your complaint, sober music. And I put updates. Àwọn supporters Naomi wọ́n ti fẹ́ kú sórí page mi. You should know me by now. Pé mi ò give a F. Bá bú mi, Aduni will never see good thing. There are some people I am created to criticize. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tèmi náà bá ṣe nǹkan tí ò dẹ̀ criticize mi. That is how bí ìlú ṣe ń dà nìyẹn. Bí ìlú ṣe ń dà nìyẹn. Thank you, Ọpẹ́yẹmí. Ọpẹ́yẹmí ṣáà sabi how to do giveaway. Nigerians will support you. Leave them like that. And when they be something like that happened, a magnitude of that thing happened in that country that yesterday. Mi ò rí candlelights. Mi ò rí kí káwọn èèyàn wà sober because wọ́n ṣọmọ olówó. If one of the children of the rich are to be there, in fact, the poor are going to hate themselves. That is what I found out. The poor themselves hate themselves. So it is not about whether you have money or you don't have money. It is just who majority of us are. As long as it has not happened to us, kò sí nǹkan tó ń pè ní empathy. Ká ní ibi yìí ni nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lánàá yẹn ti ṣẹlẹ̀. All the TV stations, radio stations, there will be playing solemn music. Ká ní ibi yìí ni all the TV stations will be playing solemn music. All the anchors of the program, you will see them with sober reflection. Somebody said, one lawyer, imagine UK women, update for you people. Níbo nìyẹn Ajia? Oh, update fún apàṣẹ kíni? Anyway, mi ò tiẹ̀ ráyè àti join issues pẹ̀lú anybody. Tó bá update kò kàn mí. Wọ́n kọ orúkọ mi sí gómìnà ṣe bí pé mo rí wọn because wọ́n wọ́ ọ̀tẹ̀. Ká ní ibi yìí ni all the TV stations and one anchor program yẹn, they will wear sober faces. You will see sober faces on them. Even while they are doing their program. We are not saying they should shut their station down. But you will see that sober reflection. But I see, when I went to his page, I saw them playing Fuji music and laughing. Over 30 children, minor, including a 2-year-old. Young children, babies. Wọ́n lọ lọ́jọ́ kan láàrin wa. And we carried on like nothing happened. Over 24 hours now. More than 24 hours. The only update we saw was that somebody has been... It was not even arrested. They said they have been taken into custody. Mi ò tiẹ̀ rí update. It was as if nothing happened yesterday. And I don't know if how many of you remember that something like this happened. Was it last year or 2 years ago? The same December. I think it was in Port Harcourt. I think it was in Port Harcourt or somewhere in the South. One thing I've noticed is that we don't value lives in that country. Ibi, one life is enough to make this country stand still. Go and ask anybody. One life is enough to make this country stand still. President will come out and talk. Governor of that state will come out and talk. Representative will come out and be talking about it. Police will carry you along. Every necessary kidney, they will be addressing this issue and giving updates to the extent that they will show you the hospital. If the incident yet is will be condoned off by now. When they want to do something, you had a doctor that called in yesterday. He said he was passing by and there was so many traffic and he was wondering what was going on until he moved close. And and you want government to care about you when you don't care about yourselves.